So there you are, that's Grandma's chocolate cornflake fridge cake. So easy to make, lovely caramel base. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a nostalgic old recipe. You can't beat a little bit of nostalgia. I've got cornflakes here and we're going to make a chocolate cornflake fridge cake. Old fashioned, no baking, a bit of boiling up of some chocolate, and it goes in the fridge to set. So I've got an 8x8 pan and it's lined. First job for us, smack up some biscuits. Now I'm using digestives, but you can use graham crackers. Up to you. If you use graham crackers, you might want a little bit more sugar in the base. Now this is one of those fabulous recipes everybody should be taught how to make. Want a pan on, and we're going in there with some butter. In it goes. Want a little bit of melt on that butter in there. We are making up a bit of a caramel actually. In there with your brown sugar, it can melt at the same time. And we're going in there with our sweetened condensed milk. Nice little bringing in. Now flame not too high for this. It is going to go golden and we want to thicken it a little bit. So we've got the old golden syrup. I want to be going in there with a good teaspoon. In there. Perfect. Now you can use corn syrup if you want, that's up to you. And we want to be going in there with a little bit of salt. So just stir it in nice and gently till it thickens. Now that's about okay for me. I don't want to go any more than that. So that's flame off. We've got to get our biscuits in there. So straight in there with that biscuit and stir it all in. It's got to be fully incorporated. Come on. Now how many of you still make this? How many of you have made it? Or is it just a nostalgic sweet? Or have you never heard of it? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know who still makes this. Give it a good stir in. Got a bit of a stodginess going on there, look. Smells amazing. Take your tin. And that is going in the bottom of there. Into the bottom. Oh, look at that. Now you've just got to work it the best you can, you know. It's stodgy, it's sticky. Don't matter. You just get it in the bottom. It's a base. We're going to chuck cornflakes all over that, so it won't matter, will it? There we go, that's good enough. Right, you have to put that thing to chill, so best thing is get it in the fridge if you can. Just leave it a little minute to cool down. You can't shove anything in the fridge that's red hot. Cool it down a little minute and then get it in the fridge. Whilst that base is chilling down, we need to be just crumbling up some cornflakes. Now you don't have to go crazy and mash them all up like we did with the biscuits. We just don't want all those big cornflakes in there. So just give them a little squidging. Not too hard, is it? Now if there's some big cornflakes left, we don't worry about that, do we? But you know, these have all got to sort of stick together with the chocolate. So if they're all too big, they ain't going to stick together. That'll do. That's nicely. Okay, we got a pan, we got a trivet. There you go. Just for speed, we're going in there with some boiling water. We're going in there with our chocolate on that trivet. We're going to go in there with our butter. That can go in there, melt in there with that chocolate. And we're going the old golden syrup again. We want about a tablespoon. A good tablespoon. There you go. Oh, look at those colours. Fabulous. Might as well use the same spoon. Give it a little bringing in. Oh, that is awesome. Melt all that chocolate in there with that butter, golden syrup. Oh, there we go. That is fabulous. Okay, we want the flame off. That's all melted. Let's get that out of there. And it's a straightforward one. It's all those cornflakes in there and stirred in. Coat them all in that chocolate gunge. That'll do. That is fabulous. Look at that. We're not bothered about it any more than that. We know what it's cornflakes. Look at that. Right, that goes on our base. Our base has been chilling for about 30 minutes, look. A little bit solid. Now, it's going to be a real stodgy base, this one. Anyway, come on there. Just bring it out, because we need to level it out. Squash it in, level it out. Come on, once you've leveled it out to how you feel, in the fridge a couple of hours to settle up. Just what we've been waiting for, come on. Oh, it's cooled down, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that goodness. Look at that goodness on there. Grandma's fridge cake. Look at that. Right, it's a hot knife for this one. Just warm up your knife so it goes through there. Oh, yes, please. Oh yeah, look at that caramel biscuit under there. So there you go, Grandma's chocolate cornflake fridge cake. It's a nice soft caramel base, chocolate cornflakes. Here we go. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. That is actually doesn't taste overly sweet actually. I just love how it's all holding together, you know, the cornflake top, the caramel base. That is superb. Oh well, that's one to make. So there you are, that's Grandma's chocolate cornflake fridge cake. So easy to make, lovely caramel base. Absolutely delicious, keeps in the fridge easily for 5 days, but I don't think it's going to stay in the fridge. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this no-bake cake. You know, come on, the grandkids are going to love this. Even the big kids love this. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.